getting ready for our hike. We're now going into the Waiomu Kauri Walk. Okay, so let's check out the very nice, interesting place here. It seems like the Kauri forest, the Kauri tree here, is an endangered species. So there's a lot of protection against viruses to protect this tree. Hopefully we can find the Kauri tree today. This is what we mean by cleaning your shoes and don't bring any dirt inside the forest, so that we don't bring other diseases to cross different breeds. And we gotta do the same thing when we walk back out. There are a lot of mountain maintenance where they need to bring all the soil and stones to fill up the roads, and that's how they do it. From the open sky, they'll drop down with a helicopter and they'll descend all these very heavy loads of soil and rocks to then cover the tracks here, so that they can even out the place and then preventing it from ponding. This is the Kauri tree in New Zealand, and we are now at Waiomu Forest. We've climbed many treks and mountains in all over the world, and I can tell you the New Zealand treks are the most well done treks. Look at the steps. This is a lot of work, okay? It's all the way slope up, and literally I have to walk on falls already.